This is Jason with the local locksmith company. Today we're making a key for a 2020 Chevy Equinox. Amber's going to be using the Auto Pro Pad G3. The key that she's going to be using is Blue Rocket from American Key Supply. Here's the customer's original key. It works. You can see this one works. Listen to the doors. Hers doesn't. Press the buttons. No buttons work. All right, let's push to start. 2020. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the vehicle on. Go ahead and hit the vehicle to turn it on.
Don't start it?
No, don't start it. Just turn it on.
I gotcha.
All right, so now we got the vehicle on. We're going to take and we're going to put this key inside the sleeve here. This is going to keep the key signal from being picked up by the car. And now she's going to start programming the key. So the key will probably go either in the center console here or it will go in this cup holder. My guess is it goes in this cup holder. Hang on one second. Let me get it cleaned out. I'll pause for a second. All right, the key goes in the front cup holder. So the car's got a little bit of history, so there's some stuff in here. So it goes in the front cup holder right here. So if this key fob battery goes dead and the buttons don't work and you can't get in start the car, this is where you put the key. You put the key here and then you push the button to start the car. That is an antenna right there where we're setting that key. That is how we're able to program the key there. Okay, Amber's going to continue. She's going to go into key programming. Agree. Chevy. It's waiting. By vehicle, yep, by model. And it's an Equinox. And then it's a 2020, yep, there you go. 2017. And then we look on here and it tells you if it can do it or not. And it says it can do all these models right here. So yes, all keys lost and add a key. So 17 to 23. There's no special dealer, so we continue to programming. And it's a proximity key or a smart key. Well, we want to read the pin first. So we're going to read the pin. So while it reads the pin, we're going to pause. All right, it read the pin. Pin is 3807. We're going to hit OK. Now we're going to go back. Go into smart key and smart key system. All right, if the MO light stays on after your program, disconnect the battery, okay. Read the number of keys. There's 2 keys on the system. We'll verify this all. Again, program with smart. Add keys. Okay, switch the ignition on, okay. Okay, the key is in the slot where it belongs. Number of matched keys 2, okay. And now it should start programming. $38.07. Type it in. All right, let's see what it says. So it's going to take 10 minutes, so we'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, we're back. We got about 30 more seconds to go. And this will be a good time to say, if you like the video, hit subscribe. You want to see more, and hit like if you could. It helps us get up higher in the algorithm. So it's not a big deal. I mean, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. No big deal. But we're at about 10 minutes. So Amber, and she's going to follow these instructions. And then on the dash, we're going to be looking on the dash for it's configuring now. It says it takes 10 seconds. Okay. And then it's going to have her hold the button down a certain way. We're going to read the instructions. Configuring the system. We're going to add the key. And there's 2 keys on here. And it's going to say ready for key 3. And then she's going to do the button. So it should be right about. Look up there on the front. Okay, on the dash. It should say right there. So what do you got to do?
I got to push the stop button.
Twice within 5 seconds. So push it twice within 5 seconds. See, it goes to 4. See, it went to 4. So now that key 3 is in there. So that's how we know that this key is in the right spot, because it took the key and it got the count to go up. So now she's going to hit OK. Now it's going to configure the system. So the key's in there. Now we're just going to get, okay, the current number of keys is now 3. Do you want to program more keys? The answer is no. Okay, press and hold the start button for 12 seconds. It'll count for you. See, it counts for you. You just watch the screen. You're holding it down. Nothing going on up here. The security light is still on. If you look right there, is that the security light right there? Yeah, that's the security light down on the bottom there. So go ahead and just follow instructions. Yep. Okay, press and hold the stop start button until the back light lights up. Go ahead, keep holding it. There you go, let go of it. It's configuring the system. Alright, it's going to say press the stop start button to start the ignition. Or switch the ignition off, actually. Switch the ignition off. Okay. Open it over the close the driver door. Okay. It's going to wait another 29 seconds. There's a lot of wait on these ones. Okay. There we go. And there's the original key. It's not recognizing it because it's in this case. So we're down to 1 second. All right. Now you're going to remove the smart key, press lock and unlock at the same time. Usually I press them a couple times. Heard the door locks? All right. So now follow instructions, press OK to continue. Program is complete. Okay. Now go ahead and put your foot on the brake and start the car. Car starts. Is the security light off?
Yep, it just went off.
Security light's off. Perfect. All right, this key's done. Customer will be happy. This is a good Blue Rocket key. These are really good keys. American Key Supply. If you get a Blue Rockets, I use they're pretty bulletproof. All right, that's it on the 2020 Chevy Equinox. This is an aftermarket spare for the customer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit like. Again, if you want to see more, hit subscribe. And visit the website is mynewlocks.com. Thanks.